Sounds of Decay 3, Litosth with Caesarana. Dramatic black metal from Brazil? Where else would you go to find such treasures? Litosth, a word I am sure is derived from the Czech word Litosth, which Google says, a state of agony and torment created by the sudden sight of one's own misery. It would appear that the band is actually one man, one Malcolm Risto, who is credited for all the instrumentation and vocals on the album. The lyrics, which are primarily in English and are fantastically well written, are credited to one Wendell Cioda. Caesariana is a collection of 8 songs, mostly milling in the 5 to 7 minute range. I would describe the band's style as melodic, almost orchestral sounding, with majestic guitar and synth passages bolstered by pounding and aggressive drums from Risto, which at times remind me of the violence of Abath on the early Immortal records. The songs are constructed in a very orthodox black metal style, no female vocals or programmed drums. The production is crisp, and the mix is full of power, creating a mood of soaring emotion with grim overtones.
One need look no further than the opening single, Whipping Bottles, for a garden variety example of the band's near orchestral power and double bass drum workouts. Lyrically, the song is a fascinating Orwellian-style tale of grapes waiting to be made into wine, but forced into an oppressive sort of slave state. Fascinating approach, really. There is a theme to the record that seems to revolve around the idea of the guilt of a mother bringing a child into this dark world. Judging from the artwork and tracks like Caesarian, in which he asks the question, should every mother have given birth to humanity, or should we voluntarily extinguish ourselves? Not exactly the soundtrack for your next teen sock hop, but the performances are ferocious, and I will soon be checking out their back catalog as 2019's Cross Parallels of Self-Refraction look fascinating, with song titles like 400 to 790 terahertz, Landscapes, and Founding Wheels and Baby Hatches. I don't know what that's about. Anyway, this is the song I just talked about, Whipping Bottles.
This is the Snaggletooth Extreme Metal Podcast.